Next one.
Stop!
No.
Stop! 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 No! Turn the camera off! Right now! Or I'm gonna look what's in this bag.
Wait, read it.
Daddy, turn the camera off, please.
Not yet.
Oh my god. You're so mean. Oh, it's just cardboard.
What is it?
Who got me this?
Can't tell you.
Yeah, who got it? Who got it?
Who were we just talking to?
Mitzi? She didn't.
Mm-hmm.
She didn't. What other truffles?
Open them.
Well, we don't need dinner tonight
Why not?
because we'll eat these. Come help me before I break it open.
What do you say in the camera? Because I'm sending her this video.
Thank you. Can you please come open these? Daddy!
She thought you were going to scream really loud, so do it. Come on. Hurry up, I'm almost out of film.
No.
Okay, tell her you love her.
Love you, Mitzi.
And we'll call you in a minute.
Okay, we'll call you in a minute.